In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a repost on TikTok. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and find some video you wish to repost. Let it be that one. And to repost that video, tap on that arrow icon right here. And here you got bunch of options how you can repost that video. First, you can tap this icon and repost that video directly to your account. Now it was reposted, and here I can add any thoughts about why I did that. Also, you can just send this video directly to Messenger like WhatsApp. I can tap on WhatsApp icon and now I can send that video to any person I want. I'll select that one, select it again, next, and send. Also, I can use the very universal way to repost. It's that option of copy link. I tap on that and now link was copied, and I can now go wherever I want and just paste that link to any messenger. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.